Hi, this is Miss Leone, and I'm going to show you how to do assignment number 74. So it says open the Google Doc for instructions or watch the video, which you're watching right now. So it looks like this. And then it opens up this assignment right here. You have two things that you are turning in. You are turning in number 74 on Schoology when you are done, and you have to submit the assignment in GoFormative. So there's two things that you got to turn in. So it says this page is being used to make it easier for you to submit this assignment. Click on the link below. It will take you to GoFormative. Log in and complete the number 74 Mi Diccionario assignment. So when you finish, you got to submit this in Schoology. Okay. So you're going to go to this link. It takes you to the GoFormative login. However, if you have never joined my Spanish class, then you're going to go to this link, which is different. Okay, it's going to take you to a join code, and here are the different codes. So if you're in first hour, you're going to double click it, then right click and copy it, and that's the code that you're going to put in. All right, so now I'm going to go to the login. You're going to go there, you're going to log in with your Google credentials, okay? So it's not going to look like this for you. You might see it on the left-hand side like this, so you're going to open up number 74, and it's going to look for you, it's going to look like this. Okay, this is just a handout, okay? And the directions say in the left-hand box, write a simple sentence in Spanish that includes the Spanish vocabulary. You can use the teacher's or you can write your own. And then in the right-hand box, you're going to illustrate the Spanish vocabulary, use lots of details, colors, scenery, clothing, etc. Okay, so don't overcomplicate this. This is just, it says here in Spanish, son las ocho, it means it is 8 o'clock. So for this one, it says use a word or expression in a sentence. So number 1, right here, normally I would write it on there, okay? But I'm just going to go over here and put it here, okay? So I'm going to do son las ocho cuando Dakota camina a Meyer. So it is 8 o'clock when Dakota walks to Meyer. Then I'm going to show my work. I'm going to draw Dakota. And I'm going to show him walking. Right? And then over here, I'm going to draw Meyer. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Yep, like that. All right, so I've drawn my picture. Okay, I would like you to add more detail than this. So notice you have to do some kind of clock. You don't have to do a clock like this, and I just did it really quickly, so it's not the best. But you need to make sure you include all those different parts because you've got to say it's 8 o'clock. So you can also do that as a digital clock, okay? And there's lots of tools over here for you to use. So if you're going to draw something, you can do the scribble, right? You can choose color, thickness, how opaque it is. You can do dash lines or fill shapes. You can do shapes. So it probably would have been better for me to use a circle for the clock. You can insert images, I believe, but I want you to draw this. You can put the names of people and places also, okay? You can erase. You can zoom in and out. So if I wanted to zoom in and do more detail here, I can do that, or I can click on here and zoom out. All right, so when I am done, I'm going to click on the check mark for this one, and it's going to look like this, and I'm going to keep going. The next one is abre la puerta. He or she opens the door. So Dakota abre la puerta del carro, which means Dakota opens the door to the car. Okay, and then you're going to draw it. And then the next one, Dakota nunca cierra la puerta del refrigerador. Dakota never closes the door of the fridge. Okay? When you're done showing your work on there, and of course I gave you an example also. When you're done showing your work and finishing everything, I believe that on yours it will give you a submit button at the bottom. So make sure that you submit it, and then you're going to go back into Schoology and you're going to submit number 74 in Schoology also. Message me with questions.